Hello, students. Students who have just received the results of NIT from in India, especially, and congratulations to the students who have achieved it, and for those students who couldn't make it, please don't be upset, don't be sad. We are here to help you and guide you. Please connect with us, and we'll share with you what other options are available for you. And obviously, it matters what's your achievements are, what's your financial situation are. So we go through case by case each profile, and we'll share with you what's the best available option in the Europe and other countries. So please do not hesitate to contact us, and don't be sad. Please don't give up. uh, Medicine, I really respect students, our youth who want to go in medicine profession, who want to become a doctor, which is a great profession and is good for the humanity. We need them. We've been through COVID. We know. Bless them all who really work hard, and those who passed away. It's a very good profession. So please do connect with us, and we'll help you and guide you and give you the best possible options. But don't delay. Do it as soon as possible. Take care of yourself. Okay, bye.